In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join two videos on Capcut Mobile. If you're looking to merge videos quickly and easily using your mobile device, you're in the right place. This process will have you editing like a pro in no time. Let's dive in and walk through each step to ensure your final product is seamless and ready to share. First, let's open Capcut on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your app store and install it before we continue. Once you're in the app, look for the New Project button. It should be prominently displayed on the main screen, inviting you to start your creative journey. Go ahead and tap New Project to get started. Now it's time to select your video files. Begin by choosing the first video you want to merge. You'll be prompted to select from your library, so find your video, and once you've clicked on it, tap Add. This action places the video onto your editing timeline where all the magic happens. With our first video in place, let's insert the second video. Look at the timeline where your first video appears and you'll see a plus sign marked as Add. Tap on this to open your library once again. Here you'll select your second video. Once you've found it, confirm your selection by tapping Add once more. This action will position your second video right after the first one on the timeline, creating the start of a merge sequence. Now that both videos are on the timeline, you can preview them to see how well they flow together. If you feel like there are parts of the videos that need trimming, this is the perfect moment to adjust. To trim, tap on the video clip on the timeline and adjust the beginning or ending points as needed. Take your time here to ensure that your final video is precise. Once satisfied with your video sequence, it's time to finalize and export. Find the export or share icon on your interface. It might look like an arrow pointing out of a box. Tapping this icon will give you different options to either save the video directly to your device or share it on social platforms. Choose your preferred method to either save the video to your gallery or share it with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully merged two videos using Capcut Mobile, just a few easy steps, and you can create a smooth, professional looking video all from the convenience of your mobile device. Feel free to explore other features Capcut offers to enhance your video editing skills further. Thanks for watching and happy editing.